Okay guys, we're back. Took a small trade on Coco, no big deal. Got out way too early, just had to leave. But whatever, that's that. Just looking at QCOM again here. Just let it settle for a second. This may be good for a really quick sculpt, guys. Let's see what it does for a sec. I'll try and capture the whole part of this, the whole analysis. We've got double top on the 20 period, double top on the 2 minute, double bottom, sorry, on the 2 minute. The 5, so stalling in this area. I do believe we get a gap fill, guys. Now it's very likely. I mean, we're literally 30 cents away for QCOM. That's just nothing. It's a joke, basically. We will get a bounce if it gap fills. I just don't want to build in too early yet. I just want to watch it for a second and see what it does. Let's get back to the 2 minute chart. I've got 5 minute and 15 and everything else on the other screen, guys. That's why I keep switching it on this recording screen. There's plenty of sellers. There's plenty of sellers still coming in at the minute. Yeah. Just something else. You know what? Being as we're here and we're just chilling out, and I want to go through something quickly. 15 minute chart. All right, we got it extended. You know, took the short in the previous video, as you saw. You know, pretty much got most of that move. Killed the trade thinking it actually, well, obviously it's come all the way back, you know, back here. But today my sole focus, after having such a bad day yesterday, is to just focus on doing what I do best, and that is scalping the living death out of QCOM. You know what I mean? And like I said, the target for today is $1,000, guys. It's a pretty hefty target, obviously, but by no means, you know, is it not possible. In fact, it's relatively easy, in all fairness. And I'm not, again, saying this to, you know, be smart or anything, or try and, you know, make up something I'm not. But, you know, taking $1,000 out of QCOM a day is relatively easy. But what I was saying about the 15 minute chart is, you know, we've come up, we've come down. You know, this is a likely stall area, obviously, and we did stall, yeah. But never take the first buy setup after a move like this, right? Especially after a drop like that, because it's pretty much going to fail most of the time. The clue for this is, sorry guys, the clue for this happening is this stall in this area. Okay, take a look at the 2 minute chart. It's the actual stall of what happened. You know, we come up, we come down. It's bearish. It's very bearish, especially after a run like that. So trying to take the first buy setup is going to get you into trouble, right? And also, areas like major resistance, minor resistance, minor support. They're just areas. They're nothing more than just areas. So expecting, you know, this pop from here, yeah, is what gets a lot of people into trouble. It's like, yeah, I'm going to take the first 15 minute buy. They forget everything else that they see, and they just 15 minute buy setup. That's all they see in their heads, and they try and take a 2 or a 5 minute entry, tighter stop, and they just get stopped out, and they wonder why. You know, and that's pretty much one of the biggest reasons why we've had a measured move, an extended move up. You know, sharp pullback, which pretty much retraced 50% of that entire move. Okay, and then we've just continued to move down subsequently, you know, from there. So far, you know, we've done what we needed to do. Things are looking good, and like I said, I'm just gonna wait on this one for a second and see what we get. I'll pause the video for now, guys, and I'll come back when I see something favourable. You know, and I'll try and catch the entire trade again. So I'll pause for now, and I won't be long. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm tempted right here. It is 10 past 1, guys, so it's going to be a little slower than normal. No, okay, that's fine. We'll just sit and watch for a second. Oh, actually, this. Oh, here we go. Come on, pop. The harder this comes down, the easier the play is. Okay, there we go. Come on. Yeah, let's just catch the whole thing, man. Come on, baby. This is going to be a good trade, guys. I can feel it in my bones. I'm not that far away now. 10 cents, I'd say another 40 cents, I'd say. Hoss, guys, sorry if that sounded too loud. Hoss on the 15-minute chart for QCOM, waste of time. Alright, it has value, but generally waste of time. You're going to get a move outside of that most times, so just expect it. Expect that move outside that area. If you ever get QCOM approaching Hoss, just expect to pop outside of that area and then a move back into that area. You know, more than likely you'll get bottom and top, and BTs and TTs on the 15 near Hoss, outside of that range, up or down. So let's just take a look how far we're in on this video. Right, we're 5 minutes in so far. I'd like to capture this whole thing. I'll leave the video running, screw it. I'd like to capture the whole thing. I'll see if we get this move we want. I need it to pull away. I need it to just pull away a little bit more on the 2-minute chart. Come on, get down into the mid-teens. Come on. Mid-teens, baby. Let's have you. Come on. Now, guys, I don't suggest anybody does this. Please, if you're watching this video, do not, do this yourselves. You don't. Do you know what I mean? Because you're going to get yourself into a world of shit. At least don't bother. I'm only doing this because this is what I do. Okay, I do this all the time. I'm in and out. I'm in and out of QCOM constantly. Just don't watch these videos and think, God, legend this and legend that, and just forget about all that. And you get yourself into a world of pain for nothing. Come on, keep an eye on the time as well, guys. Always keep an eye on the time, always. Very important. Yeah, this is the move, this is the move. Here we go, here we go. A decent amount of volume coming into this now. Yes, 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 yes. I'm just looking for a really small amount of relief, guys. I'm going to go ahead and pick up a couple here at 07s, some at 08s. One of these, which ones are going to get filled? Come on, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. Here we go. What did I get? Alright, so I got my 10s. Good stuff. It's a quick scalp on this one, guys. Pop in and out. And we could still get some more movement to the downside, but that's absolutely fine. I'll just look to build a position. And pop back into the mid-20s is what I'm looking for here, guys. I'm going to take one off here at 13. Just testing, guys. I'm just testing. I need to print 16s, guys. See, not getting my fill. Not getting my fill. You see, it's taking it very slowly. Only been filled on 4 shares so far. We are likely headed lower. 5 shares. This is a joke. This is a joke. We're probably headed lower, I would say. A very small amount of relief. That's all I want. That's all I want out of this play. Just a quick pop. Just a quick pop back into the mid-20s. I'll take one off here at 17. Okay, so here we go. Probably get another pop back to probably get another pop back down. A pop back to the downside. Bottom intels are normally retested, and then a move back into the 19s, I would say, into the 90s. Sorry, 33.90. we're not gonna get this, guys. Alright, I'm gonna take this off at 15, 14. I'm gonna take it off at 14. I got both at 14. I did that for a reason. We may get the move, we may get the pop, but I believe we actually come lower. The reason being is that we're stalling in this area way too long for QCOM, and it's possible that we're probably going to get a pop to the downside. If we do, I'll start a new recording in a second. But if we do, I'm probably going to look to basically pick this up around about, say, 34, between $34 and $34.10 would be a good place to pick some of this up. It just looks like we're probably not going to get this right now. There's still a bit more to go. Alright guys, so that's that one, and I'll be back in a bit. Alright.